Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is actually the start of a second series, a new series here. At the top right, you'll see a link to the start of my current and first series where I'm going through and solving all 150 of the NeetCode 150 problems. I'm going to go through every single one, not skipping any. And I've never seen them before, so it's sight unseen. So that's the series I'm currently working on. And I had the idea today, what if, as I go along solving the problems myself, what if I then also see how ChatGPT does against the NeetCode 150? I thought that would be super interesting. So I decided that what I'm going to start doing is, as I finish a problem myself, in my other series, I will also make a video where I give that problem to ChatGPT and see how it does. Now, I'm sure you've heard of ChatGPT. If you haven't, it's a large language model that you can interact with, like you're texting it, you're chatting with it, and it's known to be able to do some insane stuff as well as solve programming problems. So I'm going to see how it does on NeetCode 150, and I'm going to compare how it does to how I did in my solution, and I'll show you that in a sec. So the problem that I started with was contains duplicates. So let me open that up. And you can't see this too well. Let's see if I can. Yeah, that's a bit better. So my solution you can see here, and the problem, I'm just going to copy and paste this, basically, including the examples. I'm going to go over to ChatGPT and paste this in. And I think what I'll say is, or I guess I'm just going to submit it. Wow, this is pretty cool. Oh, it's even giving an explanation. We're getting a couple things here. Okay, I'm going to start at the top. So I pasted in the problem. I was going to write in at the top, like solve this problem using the examples below or something like that. But it apparently didn't even need that. And so it says we can use a hash set data structure to keep track of the values that we've seen in the array. We can iterate over the array, check that each element is already in it. I'm pretty sure that's about what I did. So here's the code. Oh, this is almost exactly what I did. So that's cool. But it got it, so that's awesome. And then we start by initializing empty. Okay, so now it's explaining the code that it wrote, which is looking completely accurate. And then I really like this. It also tests it on the couple of examples I gave, which is really, really cool. So what I'm going to do is copy the code. I'm going to paste it in. And again, I know this looks right because I basically had the same solution, but we'll go ahead and submit what ChatGPT said. And it's correct. Now, for everyone out there, I have not given ChatGPT this problem before. If you don't know how it works, this is one of the really exciting and magical things about it. I didn't tell it I was going to give it this. It just knew this based upon all of its training. And it's given the correct code and a really nice explanation of how it works. And so we can see my solution here that beat 54% of other solutions on runtime. ChatGPT's is slower, actually, than mine. And then on memory, ChatGPT's is not super good. Mine is marginally better, but not by much. The code's pretty much the same, so I don't know exactly why. Hold on, let's see. I'm just comparing the code of the two. Return true, else. Yeah, I don't know why we're seeing such a big difference there, because the code is pretty much exactly the same, but mine is showing is a little bit better. But yeah, that was ChatGPT correctly solving the first question. I'll be back soon with the next video in the series, and we'll see how long ChatGPT can go until it gets something wrong. Until next time, thanks a lot.